We help you maintain the health of your precious body. SAEHAN, which started a machinery business in 1987, has specialized in hygiene products such as high-quality diapers with its proprietary technology for equipment manufacturing. We only produce safe products that have received the LOHAS or Lifestyles of Health and Sustainability certification. And we are the only SME equipped with production lines for diapers, adult diapers, and women's sanitary napkins. We have our own premium brands based on our production lines, and our technology has been recognized in the diaper market through contract manufacturing such as OEM and ODM. Based on reasonable prices and reliable quality, we won the Trusted Brand Award in 2014 and the First Brand Awards for 3 consecutive years in Korea, leading the market with superior quality and price competitiveness. Currently, we are supplying PB products to hypermarkets based on our excellent production capacity and endeavoring to share profits with the community through various donation activities. The brand that you can trust, SAEHAN Company Limited. With innovative technology and reliable quality, we will repay your trust and support. Your life partner, SAEHAN Company Limited.